I see a lot of tech. I do not see a lot of things like this. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk, and this is called the Tidbyt. So what the heck is the Tidbyt? Maybe you've heard of it. It's kind of like a retro dot matrix display that comes in this nice wood frame that is designed to be an information display. So you don't have to check your phone as much. You can get scores, emails, Pac-Man, all kinds of cool stuff. I'm really excited about this thing. Let's head over to the table and show you what comes inside the Tidbyt box. This is the Tidbyt. It's spelled Tidbyt, Tidbyt. And it's a retro display, kind of a retro smart display that can show your apps, can show you updates, sports scores, messages, kind of cool. And so I wanted to unbox this and show you what this is all about. They got a new one coming out soon, but in the meantime, this is the current model, the Tidbyt T1. You can see this is the box it comes in, pretty plain brown. It's got this Tidbyt sticker on here, and that's pretty much all we got going on there. Simplicity is key here. I've got the knife, so let's cut this bad boy open. All right, there we go, inside the Tidbyt box. Cool little box. It's got some stickers in here, it looks like maybe. Is that what we got going on here? Yeah, Tidbyt sticker. Always enjoy some cool stickers, that's nice. We've got setup instructions. Nice and simple, it's got a little QR code on there. You do gotta put an app on your phone. That's how you connect the Tidbyt to the network and get those apps installed. And then we got another card, same size, and this looks like it's a thank you. It's finally here. Now this was, one of those Kickstarter campaigns or something along those lines where people supported it and they finally got it made. So this is sort of a thank you card just for anybody who supported or backed this, and gives you a little story of the Tidbyt story. The last 2 years have been strange for us, talking about, of course, COVID and such. Pretty cool though, pretty cool personal message from the people who created the Tidbyt. All right, we've got a piece of foam on top here, and there you go. There's the Tidbyt in all its glory. So let's pop this out and check out the wood. We're gonna talk more about this in a second, but look at the wood. Rich mahogany. You just don't see too many tech gadgets that have kind of that nice of a finish. So it's nice to see that these days. And then we've got what looks like some cables, so we'll pop that out. And that's it in terms of the box. As you can see, there we've got the Tidbyt itself, and then we've got, again, what looks like some cables and such. So let's get to this. Let's see what's inside here. Yep, simple enough. That's a power cable. That's a USB-C power cable. Nothing fancy, exactly what you'd expect. Nice to see USB-C, glad they didn't use micro USB. I get it, nobody's using that, but you never know. I still see gadgets every once in a while that are using micro USB. So again, take a look at this. Look at the nice wood sides to this. Gives it a unique kind of high-end feel, which I think is super important these days. You just don't see that a lot. On the front, you've got that dot matrix display. You can see all the little dots there. They look like individual LEDs. I can't wait to get this thing hooked up and try this out. Really, really cool looking. On the back, not much going on here. Man, you've got your USB-C plug, looks like some sort of button, probably a reset button, couple of holes. I'm not sure what exactly those are for. Maybe just to let a little air ventilation out of the back there. You've got some screws, and that's it. There's not much to it. This is a network attached device, so you really shouldn't need a lot. Once you hook it up to the network, it just sort of does its thing. But that's pretty much it. I mean, in the box, there really is not a lot going on here. A couple of pack-in cards. You've got that sticker that I showed you before. You've got your USB charger, and then the Tidbyt device itself. Now I know what you're thinking. I want to see how this thing works. That video is coming soon. I'm going to show you how I set it up. I'm going to show you how you add apps. I'll run you through the whole thing. Subscribe to the channel so you see that video when it comes out later this week. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.